Welcome to our video exploring the incredible benefits of walnuts. The first benefit of walnuts is their impressive heart-healthy properties. Rich in monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts help reduce bad cholesterol levels, protecting against heart disease. Also, walnuts are abundant in antioxidants. They contain more than most other foods, fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases. When it comes to weight management, walnuts can be your ally. They are packed with fiber and protein, providing a feeling of fullness and preventing overeating. Walnuts are a significant source of magnesium and phosphorus. These vital minerals support bone health, enabling your body to maintain strong and healthy bones. For those with diabetes, walnuts can help manage blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Another notable benefit of walnuts lies in their ability to support brain health. They are often referred to as a brain food due to their high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Walnuts can boost your mood as well. They contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that increases the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. The anti-inflammatory properties of walnuts make them beneficial in the fight against inflammation-related conditions like arthritis and asthma. For pregnant women, walnuts can play a crucial role in the development of the baby. They are rich in healthy fats and folic acid, vital for the baby's brain development. Aside from physical health benefits, walnuts also offer cosmetic benefits. Regular intake can result in healthier skin, thanks to their high antioxidant content. Walnuts also contribute to healthy hair. They contain biotin, commonly known as vitamin B7, which can reduce hair fall and promote hair growth. Adding walnuts to your diet is easy. Whether you prefer them raw, roasted, or in salads, these nutritional powerhouses can enhance any meal. A small daily serving of walnuts can positively impact your health. Remember, moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain due to their high calorie content. Like any food, eating walnuts should be part of a balanced diet. Pair them with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to maximize their benefits. It's important to note that if you're allergic to nuts, you should avoid walnuts. Always listen to your body and consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Walnuts are more than just a tasty snack. Their numerous health benefits make them a must-have in every health-conscious individual's diet. We hope this video has shed light on the wonders of walnuts. Whether you're seeking to boost heart health, manage weight, or enhance wellness, walnuts are a fantastic choice. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of walnuts. Your body and mind will thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative videos on how to enhance your health and wellness. Until next time, remember, your health is your wealth. Make walnuts a part of your daily diet and reap the rewards.